guys, we are trying a viral clickbait challenge. We are mixing flour and water to see if it makes dough/putty. Now, to be honest, I don't think this will work, but we're going to mix it. We're going to put this beautiful flour into this and we're going to shove loads of water in it and we're going to stir it till it gets all sticky. So let's pour this into the bowl. Let's go. As we got the flour here, let's just pour some in here. Not too much. That should be enough. Yeah, that should be enough, gang. So guys, this is what we got. That's not too much, it's just at the floor. And now guys, we're going to put water in it. So let's go to the bathroom. Oh, it's really dirty, this is. I'm gonna get, yeah guys, let's bring you to the bathroom, let's go. So guys, we got our flour here, guys. Ooh. Almost there. That should be good, that should be good. So let's just bring this into the room. Ooh, right guys, this is very full. It's alright. We got the flour and water in this bowl, bro. Look how sloppy it looks. And we're gonna like use a spoon. We're gonna mix it until it gets all nice dewy and putty. So let's see if this is clickbait or real. So let's go and get a spoon. I said spoon. I've actually got a really bad stutter. So let's go and get this spoon. I've acquired our spoon, guys. I found a spoon. Right, guys, let's mix this. Let's see if it actually mixes. I mean, wow. Guys, it's kind of soggy. And then that's water. So I'm going to mix it for 5 minutes to see what happens. I do not know how this is going to work. I mean, it's getting sloppy, which we want, but I'm going to play this 24/7. It's such a genius way. How is it this simple, guys? I mean, look, guys, it's not falling. There's progress. There's actually progress. So let's see in 10 minutes now if this is going to be nice and lovely and soggy. But it's working. This is actually working. I actually did not think this is working. But I mean, we don't know yet. So I might add a bit more water. Yeah. So let's do this for about an hour, you know, an hour. Am I right or wrong? But this needs to be like not wet. Is that just me? Guys, look how big this is. Yeah, guys, it's kind of soggy. I mean, what is this? This is a bit of it. I mean, yeah, it's just kind of sticky. Did I put too much water in it, guys? Am I right? Oh, yeah. Here's some flour. This better work or I'm actually going to crash out because I've spent hours on this, guys. Working. How is this working, bro? It's actually working, look. I mean, it's moving, but it's like, you know, I think this might be real. I don't think this is clickbait. Guys, look. Oh, it's still sticky though, still sticky. But we're definitely getting there. I swear, once this works, this is going to be awesome, bro. Guys, look, this is... We're doing good. We just need to get all this flour from the bottom onto the top. Because then we will be done. Guys, this is kind of working. I can pick it up now without it really getting stuck to me. Guys, this is the result so far. I mean, we're doing all right. We are not doing bad, but it's just surprising. Because me, I'm not good at anything. So let's add more flour from the bottom. Oh, yeah. Come on. Yeah, this should be working now. Because the flour, right? Oh, it's getting stuck to me. Is that supposed to happen? Let's put this back. Use the spoon again. Oh, my hands, gang. Ooh. Is this how they make pizzas with flour and water? Because, okay, I'll be so good at look. I'll be so good at the chef, look. Oh, see, look. Did you see that? I just looked at my trousers. I don't know if you can see, but I've got loads of white stuff, like flour. Oh, guys, this is working. It's not even getting stuck on me. Let's add a bit more flour from the bottom to get it nice and stuck. And this is actually working. This is working, guys. Ooh, they call me him. They literally call me I can make anything. But even though it's all over my hands because I'm so clumsy. Guys, I think this is working, bro. Oops. I thought my chair was out. I'm gonna go on my knees because I'm just like that. As it's working, like, it's like a ball. I don't know if you mix flour and water, it actually makes this. So at the moment, this is real. I just need it to be a bit more harder. It looks so... Do you reckon it's edible? Like, do you actually think it's edible? Because to me, it looks edible. But then I'm not going to eat it because it's flour. Who wants to eat flour? Like, that's what all the geeks do. We're working, guys. We are doing this. We are doing this. We've finally completed it, guys. It's not sticking to my hands anymore. We've done it. We have actually cooked. Like, look at this. It's literally Play-Doh, which is what I wanted. So I'm going to say that's not clickbait. Definitely try that experiment at home because this is actually really fun. Which is good because it's like not sticking to my hands. I'm literally a chef. Like, they call me a chef for one reason. So let's get this boy soaked in flour. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is real. I'm going to rate this, like, if it's real, a solid 9 out of 10. I mean, it'd be so good if I had food colouring, because this would actually be so fun with food colouring, because it'd be like purple. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. That's all I can say now. Peace out.